Real estate motivated. We are here at Home Depot. Literally just finished packing up this truck. It's a lot of shit, man. I think should be good. Look, man, this ain't my first rodeo, man. We should be good. Your first time, my name is Reggie. This is Real Estate Motivated. This is my channel dedicated to my real estate journey. Basically what we are doing now, we are rehabbing a single family home, transforming it into let me get my melanated light right. And I'm breaking out a sweat. Jeez. Turning a single family home into a duplex, and we are starting with the exterior. There we go. Starting with the exterior. As you can see, that wood really kicked my ass. You know what I'm saying? But look, man, we got it done. Dropping it off at the house. Usually, I don't want to steer you wrong. Usually, you get your subcontractor to do it, but I wanted them to start. I'm off today from my development project management job. It is Martin Luther King Day. Much respect to the pioneer. Rest in peace. But yeah, man, I had time today, so I just went over here and grabbed it. Wanted to keep working, so I'm about to drop it off. Starting with the exterior. They're gonna work our stuff in. Woo! Stay tuned. Okay, so correction. I just said you usually always want to get your subs to get materials, but I'll give you a word of advice. When you're doing a project, or if you're doing your first project and you have a general contractor, they're gonna mark you up usually 10 to 20%, really just because they have to, for an inconvenience fee, really, for having to get materials. And you will save money if you do get your own materials. I mean, it's just easier. You ask, basically how you go about it is you tell them you want a labor price, and also tell them you want a material list attached so you can get their own materials. I mean, you're not the only job that they have other jobs, so it won't really hurt them, and plus they won't have to have the hassle of having to get it. Now you will have a hassle of having to get it, but you're gonna learn so much. Like, I learned so much really just by getting materials, pretty much from the first two projects that I had to that I managed. Yeah, you just learn so much, and you learn throughout the whole entire process of what you need for rough plumbing, when you need the tub, or you need the tub drain. It's just certain things that connects and just stays with you. So yeah, I didn't want to steer you wrong. I didn't want to, you know, have you out here saying, oh yeah, Reggie said this, but no. You have options. Those are your options. Now, if you're an out-of-town investor and you just, hey, I just want to get this job so I can get my return, hey, do your thing. But hey, don't say I didn't teach you a little bit. Peace. Made it back. We are over here. Did I mention these brick stuffs gotta go? Yeah. Out of here. Dropped off some of this wood. New of course, stainless wood. What's crazy is a lot of this house still has some really good wood left. Yeah, so that's where we are right now. Getting rid of these steps. Yes, sir. Like I said, pretty much it's gonna be raising the length of the windows. Gonna clean all this up. Pretty much toward like the final phase. Yeah. About to examine and see how much siding I'm gonna need to replace, as well as what I'm gonna do when I'm covering up windows. Leaving that window. Yeah, this window gotta go. I'm not rocking with no windows in these bathrooms. Sorry, KK. Let me see. I don't know what that's for, but some Monday motivation. I feel like we did pretty good, especially finding this Cypress siding. Really, that's got to be saving a couple grand, really. You know what I mean? Because if you remember, it had aluminum on top of it. Speaking of aluminum, man. My tiny home dream. Gotta go. I had high hopes for this, man. Killing me, but it gotta go. You know what I'm saying? I had the whole, I had the whole setup, like, planned, ready. Like, basically, like, where you see where that ladder is, I was gonna be able to, like, create a walkway. I was gonna be able to walk up there, have a little, like, a loft style bed. You know what I'm saying? All that, but gotta go. So yeah, this is gonna be gone, man. I mean, so pretty much in the future, what I'm thinking is really doing is a garage at the bottom with a like a unit at the top, so the existing tenants can have parking, and it'll have additional parking, and plus I'll be able to add like one more tenant at the top. I already spoke to the city about it. They told me I just would have to get it rezoned. I think it's like A3.1 now, but if I rezone it to A3.3, I'll be able to get at least one more unit per square per the density in this area. Yeah, man, not bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this space now, so it's gonna be gone, but yeah, man. Hey, second trip, but that gets it done, man. You know what I'm saying? You're looking at your boy like, man, what is you doing over there? Look, man, sharp ass shorty, we gotta get it. Second trip. Hey, man, I see why I didn't miss being in the field as much. You know what I'm saying? Getting materials and all that. You know what I mean? You learn a lot. But, I mean, once you learn it, it's like, you gotta keep doing it. But yeah, man, I was off today, so I just decided to do it. Be busy. You know what I mean? Make sure that they're on their job. Make sure they're doing what they do. Make sure they're on schedule. You know what I mean? Just look, man. By any means, gotta get it. You know what I mean? Right now I'm in a little boy truck, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't been in a little boy truck forever, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna step my stuff up. But yeah, man, I mean, originally was gonna do like a week-to-week vlog, but I don't have the bandwidth all the time to really be doing that right now. So what I'm gonna be doing is really just documenting this series for this duplex, rehabbing it, getting it straight, bringing it back to life, turning it from a single family to a duplex. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Phase 1 demo is pretty much complete. Next thing is finish exterior, resize these windows. Windows length was 66, changing it to about somewhere in the 50s probably, for something that's in stock, where I don't have to wait 3 months for it to be ordered, all that, you know what I mean? So yeah, man. Woo, no days off. But yeah, man, until next time, stay tuned. We are rehabbing and turning this single family home into a duplex. Hey, subscribe, like this video. Stay in tune with your boy. I think I might pushing it a little bit. So you should be good. Small thing to a giant. Yeah.